Money, 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 money. The idea of money. This piece of paper, that's right, is €5. What can it do for you? It can clothe you, it can get you bread, milk, it can even pay your bills, right? Now, this is a €5 bill. It's not much, right? It's not much. But you will find this in every single pocket out there. Your pocket, somebody else in Asia's pocket, somebody else in the Middle East, somebody else in America, in Europe, but in different currencies. Now, this idea or this piece of paper has been disrespected, yet it's in every single pocket out there. People carry it around. Matter of fact, it's implanted in their blood today. Nobody watching can say to me, I went the whole day without thinking about money. No. Because if you are, you're only kidding yourself. Every single person walking around today is always thinking about this piece of paper. So all I'm saying is, many people think about money, it's implanted in their blood, yet they disrespect it, like it's not part of their life. No, this is part of your life. You cannot go a day without it. Now, the idea of money has been disrespected, and that's why many people are broke today and not living the life that they want to live, or are unhappy with life, right? Because they disrespect this. Even though they want to make more of it, yet they justify the fact why it's bad for them, why they shouldn't have it, why it's okay for them not to have it. Now you ask me and say, Zed, where does your motivation come from? It's, well, I never had this. I grew up without this, right? And then when I understood how to make money, I started chasing after it. There is no stopping. This here makes me happy. Yes, money makes me happy. Not TV, not wasting my time with people that don't add value to my life. Money makes me happy. I'm sorry. Now you're looking at me like this guy is money hungry. That's okay. That's okay. You do you, let me do me, right? You do you, let me do me. But don't come complaining about why you're not making, enough money and why you're not being comfortable and happy. Wars have been fought because of this piece of paper. Homes have been broken. Children have starved. People have left, homes and countries because of this piece of paper. People are on the street today, somewhere, starving, empty bellies. So don't talk about money like it's the root of all evil and it's the work of Satan. It's not. It's the work of your own governments, but you can't do anything about it. So you gotta fight your own battles. How are you gonna fight those battles? You're gonna go make more of it. So money is to be respected if you really want to move forward in life. You gotta implant it. Understand that every single person out there that talks that shit about money is thinking about money, but they don't want to talk it. They don't want to communicate it. They're just in denial, lying to themselves. So, my idea of money might be different to many people out there. I know money can make people happy, and it can. It might not make you happy because you're going to buy things with it. No. Just the comfort, the fact that you have money is going to make you happy. Maybe you give it to the poor. Maybe you go build a house. You get happy. Other people get happy at the same time. Maybe those who are less fortunate and don't know how to make more of it. Maybe you'll start being into a better person without fighting over money. That's why I say respect the money. Because once you respect the money and understand its value, you won't waste your time sitting on the couch watching TV and wasting it with the wrong people. That all they want to do is spend money. All they want to do is spend money because they worked for it, because they earned it. Right? See, we talk about how to pay yourself first, save your money so you can invest it or you can use it to make more of it and more of it and more of it. No, but people think, okay, I get a job, I make it, I spend it. Yet, they're left with this bill at the end of the month. Stressed out, complaining. Ask them to do something, they say, I can't do it. They want something, they want to buy something, yet they can't buy it. Come on. At the end of the month, you talk to them about money. They say, well, shut the hell up, mate. See, when I talk about these things, because I had these same conversations with people, and they annoy me, they boil my blood, right? They kind of just get on my nerves when they disrespect it. Yet, I know for a fact it's implanted in their blood. They don't go a day without thinking about money. Yet, you talk to them about how to make more of it, or how to, why money means a lot to you, and why you'd rather spend time working on businesses so you can grow your capital, so you can make more of it, and that's what makes me happy. You'll notice me most of the time, I'm alone. Because nobody out there that I've met wants to make the same amounts of money that I want to make, or is on the same mindset as me. So I'm always alone in a way, because I'd rather do me and let others do them. Okay? Now money's not everything, but money is everything at the same time. Your life today consists of money. Now, you might be young, you might not understand it because you live with your parents. Try move out, try look for a house, try get a mortgage, try get a car, try do this, try going traveling. You're gonna be restricted. I never had the money that I have today. Matter of fact, I worked hard for it, and I'm never stopping. If I stop, I lose the game. Right? Think of life as a game of Monopoly. Now, you can do the other things in the background, but this should be your main focus. Making more of this. Grinding, working extra hard to make more of this money. So, don't disrespect it. That's the idea of today. Don't disrespect the idea of money, guys. Because you'll end up broke, unhappy, and always complaining and into a shitty person at the end of the day. You might not understand it. You know, you talk to somebody who's living with their parents, they won't understand it. Some people do understand it because their parents aren't wealthy. Their parents are still grinding and working hard, and they see that they don't even see their parents because they're always 9 to 5 trying to get it, you know, that salaries to pay for you and to pay for the bills and the apartment and the mortgage and the car insurance, etc., etc. So they're always chasing this piece of paper. I don't want to chase it anymore. I want to make it and sit on it. That's it. I want to sit on it. And that's where motivation comes from, guys. Now, my mindset might be weird to you guys, but that mindset is what brought me to where I am today. I'm hungry. I'm hungry for the money. I'm hungry for the power. Yes, I said it. I never had the power. I never had the money. And I'm sorry for talking like this, right? Like money's everything. Money is everything. I know you're disrespecting already because you're going to go against what I just said. No, Zed, money isn't everything. Well, there you go. You just disrespected money. You disrespected the fact. Matter of fact, there's a component of the blood, right? I don't know, 3 components, the plasma, red blood, white blood cells. Then there's money. It's in your blood. It's in your blood. You like it or not. You don't realize it now, but eventually you'll realize it and say, yeah, Zed told me so, but I didn't listen because I was stubborn. I was stubborn. I thought I knew it all, but you don't. The faster you start learning at a younger age, even now, and start being, you know, actually on the right path of the trend, just like in a stock, start being on the right path of the trend, start riding the trend, and you'll see yourself progressing. Now, you look at millionaires and you look at them and say, these people are money hungry. Yeah, they are. Well, so am I. I'm admitting right now, I'm money hungry. Shit. What you gonna do about it? Nothing. You don't want to talk to me? That's fine. I don't want to talk to you either. I don't want to associate myself with you either. That's the way you need to think, guys. See, people don't want to be associated with you because you're all about money. You're about the boring stuff. Yet, when you have money, you can go do this fun stuff that they can't do. You know, recently I was on a yacht, on a jet ski, and on a helicopter, on the beach 24/7, on a rooftop pool. If you follow my Instagram, I never had that. But I know a majority of people that used to disrespect money, when I used to talk to them, they can't do what I can do today. See how it plays out? So, with that being said, hopefully you guys understood something here. Hopefully you guys have programmed you in a way. Respect this or it's going to destroy you in the long-term goal, right? Long-term whatever. Peace and love, guys. I appreciate you for watching. See you again for more videos. And do not take this to heart, but take it and filter it. Understand it. Understand what I really mean and then act upon it or comment. Let me know in the comment section what you have to say. I'll see you again for more videos. I appreciate you for watching. Peace and love. Follow me on Instagram at SimplyZed if you haven't already, because we might have these talks every now and then. Peace and love, guys.